I believe in most cases, if you are just creating websites, maybe for yourself or a few friends, organizations, you're not going to have a lot of websites here. If you practice a lot, if you try new things out often, then you will probably create a number of projects here, aka websites. But in many cases, you're only going to have a few. In the event where you do start to have a crazy dashboard here full of projects, I recommend that you delete them. This one that we had just created, starter kit number 2, after a while, I'm bored with it. It didn't do what it used to do, so I want to get rid of it. So I go up here to the 3 dots and I select delete. Brizy Cloud is going to give me this warning. Please type delete to confirm the deletion. And here you have to think very carefully, because once you have entered delete and you press OK, it is gone forever. Caps lock delete, click OK, and Brizy Cloud will remove it swiftly, never to be heard of again.